my name is Rachel Baum and I'm a librarian at BHCC. Today, I'm going to show you how to search for articles in Academic Search Premier, one of our databases. I will demonstrate how to search for articles based on keywords and how to narrow your search results so it's easier to find exactly what you need to complete your assignments. I will also show you how to download, email, and save articles and citations. Searching Academic Search Premier is like searching Google, except that all the results you retrieve are from reliable sources. That means that unlike Google, you don't have to figure out whether or not the article you find and like is from a reliable author or publication. Databases are great resources for this reason. They allow you to see only sources that you can be sure are trustworthy. Navigate to the library's website at www.bhcc.edu/library. Then, click the Databases icon. This will redirect you to a list of our databases by subject. Academic Search Premier is the first link on the page. Click it and you will be redirected to the database. You can even access the databases from home. Just log in with your library account number and your PIN or password. To learn more about logging into your library account, watch the library's Obtaining and Using Your Library PIN video. This is Academic Search Premier's homepage. At the very top of the page is where you can conduct a search. Academic Search Premier is a multidisciplinary database, which means it contains articles and sources about a lot of different subjects. This is what makes it a great starting point for most research. A keyword search is a great way to start research. You can type in any words that you think will help to find results. Remember, just like Google, databases don't understand sentences, so it's best to just type the most important words. For example, you want to write a paper about the gap in pay between men and women. Think of the keywords in the question or topic you are trying to explore. Pay gap, men, women. Academic Search Premier can immediately help you by suggesting additional search terms to narrow your search. See what happens when I type pay gap into the search box? You can see if any of these suggested searches look interesting to you, or continue on with your original search. To start, I'll continue with my original keywords. Just click Search. The results display 778 articles in the database that have the words pay and gap in them. Luckily, it is very easy to narrow your results. First, always check the full text option in the Limit To box. Immediately, the results drop to 349, and you won't go through the trouble of wanting to read an article that we don't have the full text for. Chances are your professor is going to tell you to look for peer-reviewed or academic journals. Under source type, you can limit your results to academic journals, which brings us to 105 articles. Another great way to easily limit your search results is the publication date slide, located under Limit To. If you want to see articles from the last 5 years, slide the tab until it says 2010. Now you have quickly and easily found 38 full-text articles about the pay gap that have been published in the last 5 years. Once you get used to narrowing your results, you can do it in as little as a few seconds. If you see a title that interests you, click it and you will be directed to the detailed article record. This includes subject terms associated with the article, as well as an abstract or summary of its content. If it still seems interesting, click the PDF full-text link on the upper left to see the entire article. From here, you can print, save, email, and even find a correctly formatted citation for the article. To print the article, select the printer icon at the bottom of the page. To save it, click the disk icon next to the printer and name and save it however you would like. To email the article as an attachment, select the envelope to the right of the article. You can email yourself the article and the citation by selecting the citation format from the pull-down menu. Finally, to locate a citation for your own works cited page, click the Cite icon. Scroll through the citations until you find the format that your professor wants. You can copy and paste it into an existing works cited page or download it to EasyBib. Try using Academic Search Premier for your next assignment. Think of it as Google for students like you and explore as many articles as you want. There's no wrong search, just keep trying, and always ask a librarian for help if you need it.